Hello students, good morning. So today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter for 15, probability. In this chapter we are learning about the concept of probability, how to find the probability and what are the conditions for finding the probabilities. So first of all, what is probability? Probability means uh, you can say the chance which you don't know what will be the result. Like if there is a match going on in the ground, so you predict that maybe India can win, maybe Australia can win. So that is a prediction, not we are sure from till the last ball will fall. In the same way, there are so many cases, like if we throw a dice, if you have a dice and you throw a dice and you don't know what number will come, whatever you feel that that number should come, but it is not necessary that that number will come which you are asking. So all these cases are often under probability. In the same way, if you throw a coin, then what can come? Maybe head or maybe tail. We are not sure that maybe it must come head or tail, so it can be head or tail. So now the probability, for first of all, in probability there are two concepts. One is events. You can say events, जो results आपके आते हैं, that considered under events, or you can see them also as outcomes. Okay, events and outcomes both are the same thing. So you can say them events also, or you can say them outcomes also. For example, if I throw one coin, so अगर आप एक पॉइंट देखते हो, then what can come? As I told you, maybe head or maybe tail. In the same way, if you throw a dice, then what can come? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Is 7 can come? Yes, 7 cannot be come. So because the dice has only 6 numbers, so there is only 1 to 6 number will come. In the same way, if you throw 2 coins, अगर आप 2 coin throw करते हो, that then what will be the results? Then it will be head tail, tail head or tail. So like this there can be happen. कि इफ़ यू सो थ्रो टू डाइस, अगर आप दो डाइस को फेंकते हो, देन क्या आ सकता है आपके पास? देन देयर विल बी मे बी बोथ डाई हैज 1 1. व्हेन यू थ्रो द डाइस, देन द आउटकम विल बी 1 1, मे बी बोथ हैज 1 1, और मे बी इट कैन बी 1 2, और इट कैन बी 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Like this number हो सकते हैं. 1 7 can be? Yes, 1 7 cannot be there because there is only 6 numbers. In the same way, you can write here 2 1 and 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5 and 2 6. Same, you can write 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Same, you can write 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. And in the same way, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. And the last 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. So these are the 36 केस when you throw 2 dice. ठीक है, जब आप 2 dice फेंकोगे तो out of these 36 केस there will be 1 case out of these 36 cases. Okay, so now you understand the concept of outcomes and events. Now the next one is probability. So probability, to find the probability, there is a formula which we used, that is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. This is the formula which we used to find the probability of an event. E for here is event, okay, and P is for probability. So, and first thing, second, the condition that probability of any question, whatever the question, how long or small that question is, the answer definitely will lie between or equal to 0 but less than equal to 1. Okay, means the answer will definitely lie between or equal to 0 and 1. Okay, so not less than 0 means probability never be negative, and greater than 1 means 1 point something, never it can happen. Okay, yes, probability can be 0. It can be 0 if there is impossible event. For example, if I say that what is the probability to get a number 7 when we throw a dice, so dice में 7 होता ही नहीं है, then definitely your answer will be 0. In that case answer will be 0. And the other thing is 1 कब हो सकता है, जब you know very well that this will come, definitely it will come, nothing else. ठीक है, like if you have a bag and in the bag there are only red color balls are there, and I say find the probability that what is the find the probability of getting a red ball. So definitely when you put a hand in the bag and you take the balls, then definitely in your hand the ball will be of a red color. It means we sure that what will be the ball. Okay, so in that case the probability definitely will be 1. Okay, so the second, probability of impossible event means जो हो ही नहीं सकता. ठीक है, impossible event that will be 0, and probability of sure event which can happen and definitely will happen will be 1. सेकेंड probability never be negative, which I told you that किसी भी क्वेश्चन की probability कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होगी. नेगेटिव का मतलब ऑब्वियस है less than 0, which never happen. And probability of happening plus probability of not happening, E naught, we read it as E naught. ठीक है, probability of E plus probability of not E, that is equal to 1. When you add these it will be 1. Okay, we can use this formula on that cases if you have only 2 cases like boys girls. Okay, you can say loss or win. If these cases are there, then we apply only this formula. So now let's start the question. So like you have given a question in your first question, given that in a cricket match a batsman hits a boundary 6 times. Batsman hits the boundary 6 times means number of boundaries, that is 6. ठीक है, number of boundaries that is 6. And in the same way total balls she played, so total balls that is 30. Okay, and the question is find the probability that she did not hit the boundary. The question is did not hit the boundary. So it's clear from the question also that मैंने ऐसे आपको बोला था जिसकी probability आपने find out करनी है, you have to write that statement here and that will be your favorable outcomes. ठीक है, द क्वेश्चन इज डिड नॉट हिट द बाउंड्री, बाउंड्री को हिट ही नहीं किया उसने. यू कैन सी दैट बाउंड्रीज शी हिट that 6 and 30 is total ball which she played. Means she on how many balls she unable to hit the boundary, and that is, yes, 30 minus 6 will be 24, because 24 balls are those on which she did not hit the boundary. And upon total, so total outcomes is 30. Now just convert this into your standard form. So 8 threes are 24, 3 8s are 24 and 3 10s are 20. So the answer 8 upon 10, which you can cancel with the table of 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So your answer will be 4 upon 5. Okay, the answer will be 4 upon 5. In the same way, second question is also, if you have given 1500 families with the 2 children were selected randomly, the following data were recorded. रिकॉर्डिंग डाटा किया है क्या, उसमें टेबल में आपके लिखा हुआ है द नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इन अ फैमिली. फिर फैमिली में गर्ल्स कितनी हैं, 2. अगर गर्ल्स 2 हैं तो ऐसी फैमिलीज कितनी है हमारे पास, 475. एंड इन द सेम वे इफ़ देर इज़ ओनली वन गर्ल, अगर एक ही गर्ल है तो ऐसी फैमिलीज 814 है. एंड ज़ीरो गर्ल्स मीन्स देर कैन बी बॉय और नॉट, सो दोज फैमिलीज आर 211. ठीक है, सो द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट वन इज कंप्यूट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ फैमिली हैविंग 2 गर्ल्स. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू कि आपने किसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी को पूछ रहा है, उसने किसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी पूछी है आपसे, 2 गर्ल्स की पूछी है. ठीक है, सो 2 गर्ल्स की प्रोबेबिलिटी पूछ रहा है, तो इट मीन्स 2 गर्ल्स वाली प्रोबेबिलिटी, फैमिलीज कितनी है हमारे पास, 475. सो द फैमिलीज आर 475 अपॉन टोटल फैमिलीज, एंड टोटल फैमिलीज आर 1500. ठीक है, नाउ यू कैन कैंसल विद देम to change into a standard form. So you can divide it with the table of 5000, it become 300, and it become 4 9 are 45, 4 5 9 are 45, and 5 5 are 25. Now you can see you can again cancel it with the table of 5. So 5 6 are 30, 60, and here become 5 1s are 5 and 5 10s are 45. So the answer will be 19 upon 60. Okay, so this will be the answer. Like this you can find also the probability for those family which have only one girl. So one girl की families कितनी, 814. So 814 by 1500, and just convert to the standard form. In the same way, no girl means there is no family which have no any girl, that is 211. That is again you will divide with the 1500, and that will be the probability. Okay, now let this in this way your all the exercises are of same, just like this. Okay, so now I'm going to discuss some more examples out of the book. So like if you have, I said that throw 2 coins, if I throw 2 coins, then the total outcomes are क्या होंगे, head tail head and tail. So you have these 4 outcomes, and the question is find the probability of getting one head. My question is one head. So you will write a P and bracket में क्या लिखेंगे आप, yes, one head, and that is equal to one head. So now from these 4 outcomes you will see how many one head are there. So one head are 1 and 2. Two cases are there in which there are 2 one head, that is 2 upon total. So totals are here 4. So just divide it, and the answer is 1 upon 2. And one thing more, students, it is not necessary that you should convert into the decimal form. You may or you may not, it's not mandatory. you can leave it in the form of fraction also, then but it should be standard form. It should be standard form. It should or not in the decimal. It is not mandatory. Okay, now discuss one more question, that find the probability of getting two heads. So my question is, find the probability of getting two heads. So two heads are here only. Yes, one case. सिर्फ एक ही ऐसा केस है जिसमें हमारे पास जो टू हेड है, दैट इज ओनली वन केस, एंड दैट इज दिस वन. So 1 and total are 4. So 1 upon 4 will be your answer. Students, hope you understand.